Good morning, kids. Good afternoon. Good day. Today we're going to do something very, very easy, which I'm sure a lot of people know how to do, but not everyone knows how. So we are having a brunch, and we're doing some fried bologna and fried eggs and toast. So at the end of the day, something different. And here I have a little bit of bacon grease in my pan from before I saved my bacon grease, and put in a piece of thick cut Oscar bologna. Go around, make your pretty cuts in here, because if you don't, it will not fry up evenly. So we're just gonna let this little guy soak up the good, bacon grease. Get in there.
And if you ain't never tried bologna, fried bologna, give it a shot. Don't knock it until you try it.
Absolutely. It's really, really good.
It really is good. We hope everyone's having an awesome day, staying warm and just healthy, and just hope everyone's blessed, and want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch our videos.
So I'm going to turn this down just a little bit, because you don't want to cook it on too high. It'll burn it. And then we're going to make some fried eggs and toast.
Yep.
And that's what we call a fun little Tennessee breakfast, lunch, brunch.
Just a meal, something to fill our tummies.
Yep, something different.
That's right. And I'll probably make me a egg and bologna sandwich out of my toast. Got our bologna ready. I got her to bust me one egg over here for me a sandwich to go with my bologna. Probably putting a piece of cheese on there.
Salt.
A little salt, a little pepper, little whole bacon grease. We save our bacon grease. Just put it in a container and put it in the refrigerator. And just gives it a little extra flavor and taste.
And if you want to start a pot of soup or something like that,
Yes.
it's nice to have your bacon grease to start your onions, your onions, yeah, your celery, carrots, and onions, I guess I'm trying to say.
Absolutely. There's my fried eggs, bologna. She's getting my sandwich eggs going over here. I'll eat 4 eggs and she eats 2. She's getting them going for me. Don't take long to make me some eggs.
Eggs, toast,
Eggs, toast, and sausage or bacon or fried bologna.
whatever you have in your fridge, and
Yep. Whatever you're feeling.
Yep.
Yep. There's get me a little jelly, and she's finishing up her bologna. Gonna fry her up some eggs, and like I said, we thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch our videos. We hope today is blessed for you. Blessed, happy, healthy. Just stay tuned. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.